Well guys, it's time for vlogging. This is my first vlog that I'm here in Angola. It's in the lake, Potawatomi. It's nice, but hey, let's see what's going on here. Let's see all the greens, all that down here. Nice, and we're going to the restaurant. We're not gonna eat because they're expensive, but we're just trying to see what's going on, you know. Yeah. Yeah. And then we're gonna go to the gift shop, see what we can buy, but I don't know. I don't have no money, so. But Pokagon is right. Did you see that? That's a Pokagon right there. Big one. Yeah. Ooh, nice. See the lake? Nice. Man, this is like a mansion, but they make it into a Potawatomi Inn now. Yeah. Nice. Man, my beard is getting longer. Hello. Yeah, it's nice. Let's go out here first. See what's up. All right. All right. It's nice. We could relax. That's the restaurant out here. Hi. Yeah. Our bathroom is down there. Down there. Yeah, the men's bathroom. Yeah, this is a nice restaurant. I think this is nice. We got breakfast buffet, dinner, and all that. Dinner, try our local beer. Yeah, it's nice. I don't know. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, let's just. Okay. This is nice. Hello. Hey, one question. Do you still have the buffet here, like used to be before?
Yeah, so we have that in the mornings and then during dinner, but lunch is off the menu.
Okay, how much is it?
How much is the buffet?
Yes.
For dinner?
Yeah.
It is going to be $18.99 for adults and child is going to be $12.
Okay. Affordable?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you.
Okay.
Thank you.
See ya.
We'll just go tour the lake first. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, that's nice. Affordable. Nice. Oh, God, it's nice here. Very nice. Oh, I have to stay away from the song because that's copyright. Look at that. That's out there is a hotel, Potawatomi Inn, and we'll go out there. Look at ice. I can purchase an ice. All right. So this is the, look at that, the little canoe. Oh yeah, these are the for Indians. Look at that, all that. These are the history of Angola. See this? You see the great blue heron? Heron. Yeah, it's nice here. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, they got a canoe hanging out here. Look at that. Look at that. Canoe. Yeah. All right. I will see. All right. Thanks. Oh man, did you see these paintings? It's really good. This place is awesome. All right. It's time to shut this camera and go to the beach. All right. Nice. Yeah, nice. It's a lot of boating. There's a big lake that goes all the way out there. Nice, huh?
A little volleyball.
Wow, huh? Volleyball. Oh yeah, we got some Indian too people, yeah.
So fire pit over there?
Yeah. Fire pit, yeah, right there. We could do that too. It's gonna be nice. And look at that. Look at all that. God, that's beautiful. It's like Mar-a-Lago. I swear to God. Well, we'll just try to treat our
criminals.
Yeah.
Except we're not hiding.
Yeah.
We're not hiding.
We're not hiding anything.
Government stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not. We're just trying to vlog and see what's going on. Yeah. All right. We got a pit right there. We can sit over there too.
I think they're building.
Oh man, I didn't know that they're building more. Look at that. They're building more. Oh, he's trying to what do you call this, stretch, because we just been on a 4-hour drive, so you know, it's trying to stretch. I'm gonna stretch too. Yeah, but there's a fire pit over there. Yeah, we could rent a boat too if you want. Let's go out here. Yeah, this souls. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah.
On the grass you can drink, but not.
Yes, that's good. We could go around. Now we are going to have an adventure here.
Unless you want to go.
Yeah, we can have we're going to have an adventure of our lifetime.
Okay, we're having a little relax.
It's like we're renting a boat and we go around the lake all the way out there to that $1 million houses. And yeah, it's $1 million. Hey, we go get that.
Okay, real good.
$15 an hour. Oh yes. And yeah, it's good. We gotta go rent that boat in there somewhere. It's called Stroker Craft. Steadfast. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna go sign up here at the Pokagon State. $15.
Okay,
All right.
so I need your address, your name,
Address,
phone number,
name,
and address,
okay.
and signature down there, and today's
All
date.
right. All right. Okay, let me turn this off.
Okay.
All right, we're heading to cruise in this lake here. And we are gonna be doing like at least 10 miles an hour. It's not that fast, but at least it's nice. We're just trying to see if, you know, we're trying to see what's going on. Oh, we're on this one here. That's good. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is bigger.
This one all right?
Yeah, that's okay. I was thinking about this one, but that's not good. Looks like this one is better. Yeah, oh man. Yeah. And we just, this is, you know, we're just trying to see. We cannot afford the bigger one because they're like $400. But now we're going to see what's going on. All right. Just trying to put on the battery. Oh, you got an old battery in there.
This battery here runs the bilge pump. It's solar powered.
Oh, the solar
This
power.
power here runs the motor.
Oh, the motor. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, that's good.
This is a little stronger battery.
Just gonna be careful because this the dock is a little bit moving. Yeah, look at that. All right. Yeah, we're doing something great here. All right. See you out there.
I'll be right there.
Yeah, it's recording. Hey, there
All
he
right,
is.
we're on an adventure here. See what's going on? We are going to look at that. Nice. Okay. All right, man. This is nice. Look at this. Just make sure that we're watching our hours because oh, good. All right, man. Look at this. All right, we'll switch now.
Okay.
Nice. I'm the captain of this
What's it called?
Titanic.
Titanic.
Yeah, this one.
I thought it was called something standard.
It's,
something.
Stroker Craft.
Craft. Okay.
Stroker Craft.
Titanic.
Yeah. We are heading that way. 10 miles an hour divided by 30 minutes. It's gonna be an hour and a half. Nice. Nice, huh? Go check that house out there. Nice. Alright. Alright, Christian, you drive? So we're trying to go in the sandbar out there. All the way.
One way is ridiculous.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go. You're good. You good, Cap. Man, you're good. He's good.
Right?
Yeah, that's good. Man, you're good. You're hired. Man, this is fast. Look at that. Woo. Look at that. Woo. Man, this is nice.
Those are nice houses.
There's some nice houses out there. Check it out. Nice, huh? Woo! Cruising. Oh, no, go ahead. Just go ahead. Nice. Look at that. The wave is killing us. It's killing us. Look at that. Man. See, this is the way to budget, you know. You can go boating for only $15 an hour. You don't have to buy an expensive boat, which is good. I mean, you know, really. I like to have that kind of speedboat, but no money right now. So let's just go with a $15. It's just a vacation. We're trying to impress our people in LA, you know. We can go boating for $15 here. Oh, it's expensive out there. Yeah. Nice, huh? Look at that. Man, we're far in here. Oh my Lord. Yeah, they give us an extra time. All right. Yeah, man, this is like, whew, this is nice. All right, guys, we'll see you on the land. Captain is steering it. I know.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Look at that. This is the house that I've been telling you about. Multi-million houses in the lake. See? Oh my God. We can just go swipe around and go around down there. Yeah. Nice, huh? Oh my God. Can you turn this way?
Over there?
Yeah. So
Hi, Captain.
yes, sir. I'm your, look at that. Nice, huh? Oh my God. Woo! Jesus Christ. Nice down here. Nice. Nice houses. Very good.
I really want to see that yellow house over there at the end.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks nice. Man, I want to tell you, this house is nice. It's a multi-million. Yeah.
There's one behind the tree that's like hiding too. It's like very modest. It's cool.
Oh, the way. Oh my God, look at the trees. They're like trippy trees.
Oh, it's like a weird Christmas tree.
Oh man, there's a goose. A rich goose. He's rich. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah. Oh man, that's a nice. Look at that. I told you that's a nice house.
See, this is what I
Yeah,
want to see.
down there. Yeah. That is nice. Nice. And it's really nice here. Oh yeah, the small one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. All right, we're heading to like a cove in the water. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is like a tidal wave. Oh, tsunami, man. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, let's go this way.
Okay, we'll go that way.
Yeah. Man, look at that. Oh my Lord.
That's where the big boats are. Oh, look at the sailboat.
God,
The sailboat over there.
multi-million. Ooh. Oh man, look at that. God. Oh man, that's why we need to work hard to get all this.
You see the
No,
sailboat?
even if you work hard, you can't get that. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the lake there. That's big. Let's go all the way out there. Whoa, man. Thank God we got life jacket. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, there are some more big houses out there. Look at that. I thought it's just here, but no. That house, I like that. I think it's billion-dollar houses. Not just that. All right, guys, look at that. Oh man, this is nice here. Look at that. Houses. Multi-million-dollar houses. And I'm gonna tell you, we're running out of battery, so I have to close this one out. And then we'll see you at in the land. All right, guys.
Trying, I can't go any faster.
Oh my God, this is like nice. Look at that monsoon. All right, we're almost there. Man, we're almost there. But anyway, I promise that I'll see you in the land. And we're still in the sea. All right, we're getting faster. The motor and the paddling. Oh man, we are fast. This captain of ours is really good. Look at that.
Really?
Yeah, you are. I know. Oh my God. Oh my God. This. Oh my God. Oh wait, he's really good. Look at that. Oh my, he's powerful. Yeah. Oh man.
Can't see where we're going.
All right, that's enough. Man, we're really enjoying this trip. All right, we'll see you in the land. All right, as I promised, we'll see you. I got sick a little bit. Yeah.
Oh no?
No, it's just for people to see. I'm not really sick. Yeah, but yeah, as I promised, we'll see you in land. All right. Thank you for the adventure. Not thank you for the adventure. I mean, yeah.
I have an eye.
Pokagon State Park. Thank you for the adventure. It was good. All right. We go pay this guy. All right, guys. Our adventure is done. It's already like 6 o'clock. Sun's still up, but yeah. But anyway, thanks for subscribing and following my YouTube channel. Thank you.